Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make one of my go-to dishes when I have little time or little patience to cook anything, and it's something that's really delicious and really tasty. It's called Chipsi Mayai. So, let's go. Here's what you'll need. Usually you use tomatoes and or bell peppers, but this time I've made it for someone who doesn't like either, so just use what you have around you and it will turn out great. Take the eggs, add all the spices in, coriander, and as usual, I chose to grate some ginger into it. You can beat the eggs first and then mix everything in, but I chose to do it all in one go. Now add the oil to the pan and let it heat for a bit before adding the fries in. I prefer a single and even layer of fries, but you can put in more if you'd like. Let the fries crisp up for a couple of seconds before you add the eggs in. Spread it around and let it cook for about 3 minutes on medium heat. Now it's time to flip it. Sensational! Press it down a bit and let it cook for another 2 minutes and serve it while it's hot. Shake it a bit until it falls on the plate. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. That was one way of cooking Chipsi Mayai. And this is what it looks like with some bell peppers, so feel free to experiment and let me know in the comments below what you used in yours. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!